guys, and welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to be celebrating 1,000 YouTube subscribers, and I'm going to be mixing 100 slimes into a giant slime smoothie. Thank you so much for 1,000 YouTube subscribers. I can't believe it's already here. I am just so excited. So thank you so much to each and every one of you who have subscribed to this channel. And I just thank you so much for all of your love and support. I just really appreciate it. I thought about mixing 1,000 slimes into a giant slime smoothie, but that would have taken so long. It took me so long just to get these 100 slimes. So I'm sorry I don't have 1,000, but here I'm going to be mixing 100 slimes. Alright, I guess I'm going to start off with this very first one. This one is a pink clear slime. It's got some beads in it. Let's just plop that in right there. Here's a pink foam. Here is a red butter slime. Okay, here is a purple clear slime with some glitter in it. Super pretty. I'm really sad mixing this one. I had a lot of fun making it. Here we have, this one is from a slime makeover. It's a pink slime with some pigment. Okay, here I have a a teal metallic slime that I made in my metallic slime video. Here we go. All right, up next we have this pink metallic slime that I also made in the metallic slime video. It's kind of hard, I don't know what happened to this one. Here is a purple butter slime. Alright, here is the 4th of July slime that I made recently. It is all mixed together and the color is purple. It's a really nice slime. Again, I'm kind of sad mixing this one. Here we have a yellow or orange butter slime. Alright, here's the next 4th of July slime. It's super pretty. It's got like red, white, and blue glitter and foam beads. Here we go. This one is a pink flow. Ooh. That is melted. Up next we have, it's a purple foam. Just dump that on in there. Up next I have a green cloud slime from the Easter slime video. Still super nice. Here is a very itty bitty butter slime that is red. This one is very melted too. Here we have a purple fishbowl slime. Okay, I have a lot of slimes to get through. Here's this one. Alright, here I have a purple glitter slime. This one's really pretty. Up next we have a white butter slime. Or is this butter? No, this is fluffy. Okay, this one's fluffy. Next we have a blue metallic slime. Again, I'm really sad mixing this one because this one is just so pretty. Look at how metallic this one is. So pretty. Okay, here is a purple foam. I believe I made this one in a slime makeover video a while ago. By the way, be sure to let me know in the comments down below if you recognize any of these slimes. It's sometimes hard for me to remember when I made all these, but maybe you guys remember. This one, oh, this one's pretty. It looks like caramel. Next is I don't remember when I made this one. It's super pretty though. Up next we have, oh my goodness, this one is so old. This is that fall slime I made back in November. This one is very old. Up next, this one is a green fluffy slime. Not really green anymore because I just touched it. Oh my goodness, this was the Galaxy slime video I made with Emily. This one is very, very melted. Look at this. Whoa. Yeah, this one's really old. I can't even remember when I made this video. Next, I have a white slime with some rainbow foam beads. Alright, next I have, this looks like a purple butter slime. Next, I have a purple fluffy slime that I made a while ago. Here we have, I don't know what this one is. I think this is from a makeover too. Get you out of here. Next is another purple foam. I have a lot of purple foams. Okay, here is another clear slime. This one has glitter in it. Next we have a teal butter slime. Or butter, I don't know what this one is. Next we have a blue clear slime with some glitter in it. Here's a yellow butter slime. pour this one. This used to be a really good butter slime. I don't know what happened to this one. Next, we have a blue phloem. Next is a red fishbowl slime. This is also from a slime makeover. Next is a orange glossy slime. I believe this is also from a slime makeover. Really sad to mix this one. This one used to be my favorite. Okay, here is another very old slime I did with Emily. This was in our Christmas video, so this one is melted. Next we have a teal glossy slime. Next is like a pinkish purple phloem. Alright, up next we have looks like a white soft serve slime. Next we have a very old and separated butter slime. Next we have a blue butter slime. Next we have a purple cloud slime that was also in a slime makeover video. Again, I'm really sad mixing this one because this one's really good. Next, here is another, it looks like a cloud cream, it's purple. Next we have a pinkish purple butter slime. Alright, next we have, whoa, that looks really cool. Can you see that? It's like a red butter slime, but it's split into 3 different sections. This one is so old, I've had this one forever. Oh, this one's dried out. I don't want to add this one. Never mind. Actually, no, I do have to add it. 100 slimes. Gotta do it. This one is another very old slime. This one is the Christmas slime that I made. Here we have a white phloem. Here we have an orange cloud slime. Made this one a while ago. Next we have a yellow phloem. Here we have an orange phloem. We have a clear slime with some white foam beads. Next we have a pink phloem. Next I have another pink phloem. Next we have a pink clear slime. Here is a pink phloem. Here we have another purple butter slime. Next we have a very small fishbowl slime. Next I have another pink butter slime. Next is a blue, looks like a metallic slime. Next I have a white phloem. Oh, I'm so sad mixing this one. This one's really good. Here is a purple fluffy slime. Here, this one is really good. This one is a clear slime with some beads in it. Next is a white phloem with some really pretty beads in it. Next is another phloem that is pink. Here is an orange slime. Don't know what it is, probably fluffy. Next, here we have a blue fluffy slime. Here I have a yellow butter slime that's kind of dried out. Up next is a purple butter slime. I have a blue clear slime. Here is a green glow-in-the-dark slime. Next is a green butter slime. Next is another blue slime. I think it's a butter slime. Wow. Here we have a white fluffy slime. Here we have another white slime. Here is a yellow birthday cake slime. Now moving on to the mini slimes. We have a white slime. This one is a purple slime. Here is the yellow slime from the Karina Garcia slime kit. Here is the blue slime from the Karina Garcia kit. And here is the pink one from the Karina Garcia kit. And here is a white fluffy slime. Here is a teal cloud slime, looks like. It's pretty hard. This is a green butter slime. Next is a clear slime. Next is a green slime. Here is a pink fluffy slime. Here is a yellow fluffy slime. Oh, this one's so pretty. It's a metallic slime. It's the pink clear slime from the Karina Garcia one. Here is a white fluffy slime. Here is an orange clear slime. Here is an orange fluffy slime. another orange slime. Here we have a purple fluffy slime, a blue clear slime. Here is a blue slime. All right, guys, we are on to the last slime, the moment we've all been waiting for. This one is a green putty or slime. All right, here we go. Boom. All right, here I have all 100 slimes in this giant bucket. Oop, not gonna tip it. I don't want everything to fall out. But here is 100 slimes. But before I mix this giant slime all together, be sure to comment down below which color you think it's going to be. All right, here we go. Alright guys, so here is the slime, all 100 slimes all mixed together. The slime turned out to be this really dark purple color. I kind of like it. I'm glad it didn't turn out brown or gray or anything like that. But I think the slime turned out really nice. It's super stretchy. It does need a little bit more activator because it is a little bit sticky. Alright guys, so it is the next day and I just wanted to show you guys the slime. All of the beads have risen to the top. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And again, thank you so much for 1,000 YouTube subscribers. It's just crazy that 1,000 people have subscribed to this channel. So thank you to each and every one of you who have subscribed. And be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And if you guys like to check out my Instagram page where I post all sorts of fun pictures and videos, I'll be sure to leave a link down below. I hope you guys are having an amazing day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!